Namo Namaha Chhatraha. Padmashri is here. Today we are going to study two nouns and one tense. Which two nouns? Ikaranta Strilingi, that is feminine ending in E, that is short E, but this is short E, and neuter ending in short E. In sixth, we have learned masculine ending in E word, that is Kavi, Muni. Now we learn Ikaranta Strilingi. This is short E, not long E, not Ikaranta. It is Ikaranta, short E. Now see, Ikaranta Strilingi, Mati Nam. Mati, feminine ending in short E. Matihi mati matayaha prathama. Matim mati matihi dvitiya. Matya matibhyam matibhihi tritiya. Mataye matyai matibhyam matibhyaha chaturthi. Matyaha matibhyam matibhyaha panchami. Matyaha matehe matyoho matinam shashthi. Matyam matau matyam matyoho matishu saptami. Mate mati matayaha sambodhan. See, Prathama has no any preposition. Dvitiya has, meaning of Dvitiya is two. So, Matim, two intelligence. Mati, two intelligence. In Dvivachan, two. And Matihi, two many intelligence. Matya, by intelligence. Matibhyam, by two intelligence. Matibhihi, by many intelligence. Chaturthi. Mataye, matyai, for one intelligence or for intelligence. Matibhyam, for two intelligence. Matibhya, for many intelligence. Matyaha or matehe, from one intelligence. Matibhyam, from two intelligence. And matibhya, from many intelligence. And so on. Now see students, Gati, Shakti, Kruti, Sthiti, Priti, all these words or nouns work like Mati, because all these are ending in short E and all these are feminine words. So you have to make tables, tables of all these, means right from Prathama up to Sambodhan. For example, Gatihi gati gatayaha prathama. Gatim gati gatihi dvitiya. Gatya gatibhyam gatibhihi tritiya. Gataye gatyai gatibhyam gatibhyaha chaturthi. Gatyaha gatehe gatibhyam gatibhyaha panchami. Gatyaha gatehe gatyoho gatinam shashthi. Gatyam gatyoho gatishu saptami. Gate gati gatayaha sambodhan. And you will make tables same of Sthiti, Priti, Shakti, Kruti. Only this, see, this Kruti and Priti, these two words have ro in them. So in this thing, in Shashti Bahuvachan, there will be Pritinam. Na will take place of na. Pritinam, Krutinam. Now we'll learn Vari noun. Vari, it is neuter noun and it is ending in short E. Vari means water. And just a minute. And Mati means intelligence. Vari varini varini prathama. Vari varini varini dvitiya. Varina varibhyam varibhihi tritiya. Varine varibhyam varibhyaha chaturthi. Varinaha varibhyam varibhyaha panchami. Varinaha varinaho varinam shashthi. Varini varinaho varishu saptami. Vare vari varini varini sambodhan. Now see students, in Dvivachan and Bahuvachan, while translating it, I haven't added S because the word water is itself a plural word. So it doesn't becomes waters. Understood? Vari means water, Varini water, Varini against water. Vari to water, Varini to water, and Varini to water. Varina by water, Varibhyam by to water, by water, and Varibhi again by water. Varine for water, Varibhyam for water, and Varibhyaha by water. Will not able to say for many water. It is not correct. It is wrong. And so on. While learning this table, you have to remember two things. See, Vari, Varini, Varini Prathama. Here this Ri is long and this Rani is short. It is exactly opposite from Dvivachan and Bahuvachan are exactly opposite. See, Vari, here Ri, this Ri is first Ri, this Ri is second Ri, this Rani is second, this Rani is first. So how you will pronounce? Vari, Varini, Varini Prathama. Vari, Varini, Varini Dvitiya. And so on. Again here, this Ri is first. So, Vari, Varini, Varini Sambodhan. Now you have to make tables of Shuchi, Bhuri and Surabhi. All these three work like Vari because these three are ending in short and these three are neuter, that is Napusaklingi. So for homework you have to make tables of Gati, Shakti, Kruti, Sthiti, Priti as well as Shuchi, Bhuri and Surabhi. Now we'll learn Vidhiling Lakar. Vidhiling Lakar means potential mood. In 6th, we have learned Lat Lakar, that is present tense, Rlut Lakar, that is future tense, Lang Lakar, that is past tense. Now we'll study Vidhiling Lakar, that is potential mood. Now when this is to be used? Advice, should, invitation, urge, request, deservedness, possibility, necessity. When all these things are needed, at that time you have to implement Vidhiling Lakar. जेव्हा तुम्हाला सल्ला द्यायचा असतो, एखादी गोष्ट करायला पाहिजे असं म्हणायचं असतं, निमंत्रण द्यायचं असतं, आग्रह, विनंती, योग्यता, शक्यता, आवश्यकता असा अर्थ जेव्हा त्या वाक्यातून निघतो तेव्हा विधिलिंग लकार करायचा असतो. आता त्याचे प्रत्यय बघा. नाउ विल सी एंडिंग्स ऑफ विधिलिंग लकार. इत, इताम, इयुः, इहि, इतम, इत, इयम, इव, इम. Now see, vada means to say. Here, just a minute, here you have to remember one thing. Here, E represent matra. Means see, vada plus it, vadet. Not it doesn't becomes vadit. Vadit, vaditam, vadihu. Not like that. That is wrong. Here, E represent matra. So, vadet, vadetam, vadeyuhu. Vadehe, vadetam, vadeta, vadeyam, vadeva, vadema. See. And meaning of it is, he oblique, she oblique it should say, they both should say, they all should say. You should say, you both should say, they all should say. Sorry, you all should say. And vadeyam, I should say. Vadeva, we should say. And vadema, we all should say. See, this vadet means, see here, vadet means we all should say. Vade tam means they all should say. And vade yuhu means they all should say, and so on. Now see, namet means he oblique she oblique it should say. Nameta means namet means he oblique she oblique it should salute. Nameta means they both should salute, and nameyuhu means they all should salute. Namehe means you should salute. Nametam, you both should salute. Nameta, you all should salute. Nameyam, I should salute. Nameva, we both should salute. Namema, we all should salute. Here we have finished Vidhiling Lakar. Now homework for you. Write down all these, following these means all these dhatus in potential mood. Likha, hasa. Likha means to write, hasa means to laugh, khela means to play, and patha means to read. So how it will be? Likhet, likhetam, likheyuhu. Likhehe, likhetam, likheta. Likheyam, likheva, likhema. So students, here we have finished Vidhiling Lakar. I will also send the endings. I will also send the endings of Lat Lakar, Lang Lakar, Lot Lakar, which we have studied last year. You have to copy all these notes in your notebook. Thank you, students.